am a marketplace tier 2 handling Obamacare calls. We are here today at the Department of Health and Human Services to call on Secretary Becerra to stand up and follow through on the Biden administration's commitment to good jobs for federal contractor workers. Maximus is one of the largest federal call center contractors and collected $2.4 billion from the federal government last year alone. HHS has a $6.6 billion contract with Maximus to provide Medicare and Obamacare call center services, where it employs about 10,000 workers. In addition to a major CDC call center contract, most of these workers are women of color in the South. The Maximus workers who are here today work under these two HHS call center contracts. For years, we've been speaking out about poor working conditions. Our jobs at Maximus call centers fall far short of the administration's commitment to advancing racial equity and using federal dollars to create good family-sustaining jobs. Just last month, hundreds of us at Maximus went on strike at 8 Maximus locations to demand living wage, affordable health care, and the freedom to form a union without intimidation and interference. But guess what? Maximus continues to refuse to meet our demands. So today, we'll be hearing from Maximus workers and allies who are supporting us in fight for justice. Our fight for justice at Maximus is very personal to me. I am a mother of 3. I have 2 stepchildren, and every day is a struggle to survive. My daughter has to go without hearing aids at times when I couldn't afford her new batteries. I have to rely on Medicaid for health coverage for my children and still struggle to afford the out-of-pocket costs for their prescriptions. That ain't right. That ain't right. I've had to take out payday loans just to get to work on a daily basis. That ain't right. That ain't right. This is why I've joined the Organizing for Better Working Conditions and a union. Maximus wants to treat us like we're disposable, and they want us to keep us silent about poor working conditions. But we won't be silent. We are fed up and ready to take action. That's why we're here today. We are demanding that Secretary Becerra and the Biden administration require a livable wage of $25 per hour on our federal center contracts. Ensure we have access to affordable health care and to investigate Maximus low-road employment practices. So today, I'm not the only one who has faced real challenges working at Maximus. And we are hearing from some of the other co-workers later, but one of our first guest speakers that I'd like to welcome is CWA President Claude Cummins. I would like to say he has been a huge